One of the problems with the popular Owala water bottle is a very weak design on the lid, especially on the lid handle. Like this one, my daughter broke it when they dropped it on the ground. It's actually broken. This is very unfortunate. We need to find a solution to fix it. Here we go. This is a replacement Owala lid, and with the additional tube. Be careful, this is not original manufactured by Owala. This is by third-party vendor manufactured Owala replacement lid. Everything is the same look and feel, even for the silicone seal. I tested almost the same as the original one. And also, if you look at the side, it's very easy to flip, same clicking sound. Let's have a side-by-side comparison. You can see exact same feel and look. Very smooth open and close action. One of the things, be careful. I don't like the additional replacement tube. It's the soft silicone. It's not very good as the original one. I just keep the original one solid tube and fitting with the replacement lid. Everything is so perfect. You got a solution. That's my review. Thank you.